Hello everyone, how are you? I am Devjyoti here from oecd.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to discuss about a very common WordPress site problem, that is briefly unavailable for schedule maintenance. Please check back in a minute. This error is very common for all the WordPress developer. This error mainly occur due to some server crash or when you updating some plugin due to sometime unsuccessful update of the plugin or theme. This kind of error occur. If this error occur in a site, then you not able to log in your admin panel. As you can see here, that is my admin panel URL, and if I refresh, nothing coming. So you can easily fix that. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to your site folder, and I am creating this website in localhost, and for the localhost I am using WP local. So that is my site, and from here you can see the site folder. You have to go there and come to this app file and public file. So here you can see one file .maintenance. Just select that and just delete that. Okay, after that just stop the site, and after that again start the site. Once done, just come back here and refresh the page. As you can see, I successfully come to my dashboard. So by using this small step, you can easily fix your site problem. And another thing also I want to suggest, come to the plugins, and from here select all the plugin, and from this drop down here you can see enable auto update option is there. Make sure it should be selected, and after that you have to click in the apply, because 90% of the time this error occur when you are going to update the plugin manually. This change keep your all the plugin updated in the latest version. Hope this video is informative for you. If you really like this video, then please like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification about this kind of interesting video. Thanks for watching this video till the end.